Okay, folks, welcome to Market Wrap for the 21st. So let's kick things off with a couple of sales that we did today. We booked some profits on GDXJ and NUGT, NUGT being the leveraged product, putting you long of the senior miners. The GDXJ is the non-leveraged product, putting you long of the junior miners, both of which are extremely volatile. Now, we've had a pretty measurable position in GDXJ and UGT for quite some time. Why would I, especially after being bullish over the weekend, why would I have booked profits this morning? The reason is that it wasn't the chart of the GDXJ or the NUGT that caused me to press the sell button on half of our position. It was the price action on the US dollar and the 10-year yield, which I'll go to in a moment. The path of least resistance, as you normally say, is to the upside, clearly. I don't know why you'd sell. Well, let's just do this. Let's overlay the indicators. So we had a big gap up and through that would be bullish. But we booked profits up here when it was still positive on the day. I wanted to see whether or not we were going to hold this fractal support level. And I'm still curious, going into Tuesday and earnings this week, do we fail to hold this? Do we drop back down into this trading range? Do we trade all the way back down to a lower rising band of support? Perhaps here at around 48.71. The other reason why is that we are trading well beyond the 10-period EMA. Lastly, we sold up and into a test of the third standard deviation Bollinger Band. And history has shown us in the past that once you start trading GDXJ and UGT up into the 3D Bollinger Band, you're going to get a pullback. Now, were it not for the dollar rising along with yields today, I probably would have just said, you know what, let's weather the storm. So what, we get a few days of a pullback. At least we don't lose our position. But it seemed as if it was a perfect storm to exit stage right and to make some profits real. Fast forwarding now to NUGT. This is the leveraged product, gold, senior gold miners. The same deal here. We were up early in this morning. We took note of the technical condition when we overlaid the trend lines. Note how we rallied up and into resistance and we were rejected. Also the indicators. We rallied up and into the third standard deviation Bollinger Band. We shot through the upper band of this fractal resistance level in green. It was first out, best out time. We made some profits real. We'll look to add back that half position at a better price point or at a price point that is a better risk reward level to be long such a large position of the gold mining stocks. Now, before we move on, just a little bit of commentary about what I think is going to happen in the coming days. And I think that what we're going to get is a rally in the NASDAQ 100 names. So we're going to run a scan at current. I've already done this. This will be the second time I do it. And not many names are popping up here that are really attractive, but a few of them that I'm going to be talking about later on in the commentary. Analog devices. Note the tight Bollinger Bands inside the Keltner channels. The Bollinger Bands in orange, Keltner channels in green. Qualcomm. Again, another Bollinger Band squeeze. Intel, Bollinger Band squeeze, as well as Starbucks, Bollinger Band squeeze. So these are the names that we like in the next couple of days because it looks as though what they're going to do is they are going to rotate money out of the small caps, mid caps, and some of the cyclical names which have rallied of late because of rising interest rates. So why do interest rates matter? Folks, if you enjoyed that clip from Market Wrap, why not sign up and watch the full version? And you'll understand what I believe is going to be happening in the markets for the remainder of the week. You'll also get access to the members area, the Bull and Bear Banter chat room, and of course my feed. You'll engage with like-minded traders. And of course, if you sign up for the silver or gold level membership packages, you're going to get TrendSpider for free. So take a moment. Use the link below if you watch this on YouTube, above on Twitter. Sign up for the 14-day free trial offer, and I'll see you on the other side. Take care. Be well.